tornado in a bottle. So what I have is a 2 liter drink bottle. You can get a smaller one for your hands. I got a drink bottle, but it's kind of a little heavy. So you can get a 2 liter drink bottle or a little soda bottle and some water. It can be halfway or under half. And I got some hand sanitizer.
Oh.
Yeah. You can use glitter. You can use whatever you want to put in your bottle. You can put water, glitter, or food coloring. I tried food coloring with sanitizer. The food color disappeared. The water was clear.
That's
I was
funny.
like, I cannot use this together because the sanitizer ate up the food color. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put like 2 squirts of hand sanitizer in my drink bottle.
1 squirt, 2 squirts.
2. And then what we do is turn it upside down.
How to do it.
It has to be upside down, so it's pointed upside down. The drink top have to be at the bottom. And what you do next is you're gonna turn a circular motion. You're gonna do it like this. So can you find a tornado in my drink bottle? Do you see it?
Hold it back a little bit.
Bring my food
And down.
Let me do it a little bit. Let me do it again.
Come here.
Do you see it?
Oh, I see it.
I see it. Yeah.
I'm gonna do it one more time.
It's at the top of the water, y'all.
Yes. And what's floating around it is called debris, like trash, when the tornado pick up things off the ground and take it in. So hopefully you can see it. Just keep twirling it. So
Yes, I'm here.
The first time she did it was kind of like out of the screen, so I couldn't see the tornado.
Oh, well, you can tell Miss Potomi that. Miss
Did you
Potomi,
say,
can you scoot it back? Can you scoot it back just a little bit so we can maybe we can?
Okay. Can you see it like this way?
I see the bottle, so let's give it a try.
All right, we're gonna twirl it one more time.
Need to hold it down so we can see it.
Okay, you know, okay. Let me. What about now?
See, oh, I see it spinning in the water.
Yeah, I
Did you see
see
it?
it. Yeah.
Wow.
I keep it at this angle.
Yeah, see it.
You saw it? Yeah.
Oh, look at it. It's spinning in the water, y'all. How about that?
Hey,
That's so cool.
Make this at home, and you can send us videos of you making your own tornado in the bottle.
So all you need for that is a bottle and some water and some hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
And you can put in glitter if you want to. And then spin it around and send us a video so we can see you making your own tornado.
That's right. So we got one more thing we're gonna do. And this time you have to listen with your ears. I want you to listen to the sound of a tornado, okay?
We can't hear you, Miss.
Okay. So we're gonna listen to the sound of a tornado. I want you to listen with your ears, and I want you to tell me what do you hear inside of a tornado, okay? One minute. Okay.
We can't hear it. Should we hear something yet?
Can't hear it.
Can you hear it?
No.
No.
You can't hear it?
No. Maybe because somebody talking. Like the kids talking.
Can you hear me?
We hear you.
Yeah, we hear you. Yeah, we hear.
Okay, I hear it now.
Maybe I have to stay on the page. Okay.
I hear.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Did you hear it?
A little bit.
You
Just
did
a
hear
little bit.
a little bit. Okay, maybe I'm gonna share my screen.
Yeah.
Don't forget to click at the bottom of your screen, like share audio or something. Because when I've shared, oh,
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, we see it.
Okay. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Now you hear it.
Okay. Okay. Did you guys hear the tornado sound? No?
it wasn't loud, but yeah, we heard it.
It wasn't. Okay, okay. We'll listen to it next time at 2:00.
Tell them what you heard.
So what did you hear if you heard something?
No.
A toilet.
You heard what?
A toilet.
A toilet.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
Did anybody else hear something?
Who's that, James?
That was Jane.
Because I heard it wasn't like toilet.
It would sound like a toilet. Did anybody hear wind?
No, it didn't sound like it doesn't sound like it just almost sound like wind, but it sounded like a toilet the most.
Oh, yes, Anaya.
It sounded like twirling noises.
Twirling noises.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
And it sounded like a thing.
It's so fast.
Because it sounded like wind.
Yeah.
It sounded like wind going around and around.
So
And blowing. I heard blowing up
What
trucks.
you heard, Janaya? Hello, Anaya. We're gonna let Janaya talk. Go ahead, Julia. What did you hear, Julia?
I heard trucks.
You heard trucks?
Yeah,
Okay.
that was blowing up.
You hear trucks.
I think it's that either.
Carson, what did you?
I heard when a tornado is really close to you, it sounds like a train.
It does.
Yeah.
I was in one. It does. It really, really does.
Yeah, I was in one.
Oh, wow.
That sounds scary.
I know.
It
I
was
don't want to
scary.
get in that one.
I know. Carson, did you say it sounded like a train? Or what did you say?
That was Carson's aunt.
Okay, that's Carson. Okay.
What?
Melanie, did you hear anything?
Can we?
You don't cook.
Yeah.
I'm strong.
I know you strong, but you don't cook.
Melanie, did you hear anything?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you hear?
I hear train.
You heard a train? Okay. Carter, did you hear anything? Did you hear anything inside the tornado? What did you hear?
I don't know.
Oh no, you're not paying attention. You gotta put that calculator down, okay? And sit down. Thank you. Janaya, did you hear anything?
The birds are big.
Huh?
What are you
What did
talking
you
when
hear,
not talking
Janaya?
to you? When
Talk a little louder. I cannot hear you.
Oh,
What she say?
she's on mute now. I don't know. I don't.
Jania's not on mute.
Oh, Janaya, I'm sorry. I can't hear you, Janaya. Can you talk loud?
Then a tornado.
You
It's
heard a
not-
tornado?
You heard a tornado.
Okay.
Okay.
you gotta keep yourself unmuted.
In Brooklyn, what did you hear? You didn't hear anything? We're gonna listen to it one more time at our 2 o'clock.
And now, Mr.
Okay.
Really close.
So we're gonna let you go ahead and go because it's time to go now. But if you didn't hear anything, we're gonna listen to it again. All right.
Listen
Go have
really
lunch
close.
and take your nap. See you at 2 o'clock. Love you.
Bye, guys. Love you.
Bye-bye.
See you
Now
at
at
2.
2:30. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.
2 o'clock.
Bye.
I'm gonna put our graph up for a minute because I didn't start the recording on time. So
Okay.
Okay.
everybody can see, if they go back to watch the video, they can see our graph. Do you know what a tornado looks like?
Yes.
And those are the 4 people who said yes, they've seen a tornado, and the 5 people who said no, they have not. All right.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Love you all.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
See you
guys.
at 2. Have a good lunch.
Bye.